Hey guys, Mo Trading, and in today's video we're going to be analyzing Polygon. We're going to be doing the technical analysis and essentially be seeing where this coin is heading. And yeah, but before we get straight into the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. As well as that, before investing into Polygon, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking at Polygon, let me quickly refresh coin market cap. Polygon is currently up 13.6%. Okay, 12.75% now. It's currently trading at $2.62. As well as that, let's quickly look at the overall market. The overall market is up 2.37% over the last day. This is good, as Bitcoin did have a major drop over the past week, and the overall market cap is 2.3, which is good. Hopefully we can get up to 2.6 eventually. As you can see, Bitcoin's up 4.75 last 7 days. Ethereum's up almost 9%. So yeah, let's quickly go over to Polygon Matic. So we're going to be analyzing this coin. So before we can see, as you can see, we can see that we're in a bull trend. Actually, we're in a bull trend. So as you can see, a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, essentially a higher low, and then a higher high. So if we drop down to the daily, we can see this in more depth. Let me just get rid of this. Yeah, so we can just quickly, let me just fix this so you can see there, and then essentially there. So we're there, and then high is up here, and then we can see, oh, okay, we can see that this happened. That drop probably happened due to Bitcoin, and yeah, now we can see this. So let me just start analyzing this now. So as you can see, from a low to a high, we can see that this broke structure from here onwards. So you can see a break of structure, as well as another break of structure here. You can see another break of structure, and then you can see we finally broke structure here, which means overall a bullish trend. So we can see a big break of structure. I'm just gonna analyze this all. Let me just quickly go break of structure. There, break of structure, and then another break of structure. So yeah, and as you can see, it came back down to this support zone. Let me just quickly, is it this support zone? Okay, I'd say this support zone actually. Let me just quickly put this down. The main reason I've highlighted this support zone and not one of these ones or these ones is because of the fact that this move made the whole impulse up. This move essentially made this break of structure and then this break of structure, whereas one of these only made this break of structure. So you wanna, when you're looking at it, you gotta look at the point where it started, where it initially started. That is the main point. That is the main area where all the support is. So as you can see here, and then from this zone we can mark this zone as a resistance, because from here you see a huge drop, so we can just mark this zone out. Yep, so as you can see from here, then we can see another break of structure occurring. So yep, another break of structure occurred, and then another one up here. You can see that. That's great, that's what we like to see. Break of structure is fully analyzing this Polygon break of structure here, essentially. And then you can see finally we had a retest. We tested the zone, but there was a sellers, because it did react. As you can see from this, we reacted downwards, but it wasn't strong enough. The sellers weren't strong enough, so therefore we pulled back up, and then we broke this structure as well. So we can just take this out and put a break of structure within the zone, and we can delete this break of structure, and then essentially we can see the next point of bullish in this. So I would I'd analyze this zone. Why would I analyze this zone? Is mainly due to the fact that from this we took out this low, and then we impulsed up. Look how big that impulse is. Now this impulse even took out this one as well. We could possibly put a little break of structure within this as well. Let me just quickly draw that in properly. So look, as you can see, that's a proper impulse up. And then you can also put it down in this A zone here, this zone here. You could do this zone as well. Possibly put this down as a support zone, but I would probably like, that's a major big zone. So in order for me, I'd usually do it down to this zone, the last bearish before bullish candle. So I'd find the last bearish candle and then drag it along here. So yeah, so once we found that, we saw that it came back down, and then we can see it come back up now. We can see another break of structure occurring here. So from here we had a break of structure upon this zone, and then another break of structure upon here. But then we also did see a reaction as well, because we came back down. This zone was a major support zone. This bearish candle, as you can see, that bearish candle, because that helped, and in fact no, that didn't actually. Let me take that back actually, because it was spiked through. So okay, yep, the original support zone, this support zone was respected majorly. Let me just quickly analyze, put break of structures in here, break of structure here, and then we can ultimately, you can put, let me just put all of it in fact, I was just going to skip this one, but it just gives us an extra confluence when looking at the charts. Break of structure, so it helps with the psychology as well, and gets rid of fear when you analyze like this. As you can see, break of structure, so about 4 break of structures, and then we finally, and then this bearish candle happened because of Bitcoin. Like, when you know let me show you Bitcoin's analysis. So as you can see on the weekly, like, Bitcoin dropped majorly. If I show you my 1 hour analysis of Bitcoin, you can see we're currently in a distribution. So yeah, let me go back to Polgon, and we can analyze this back on the daily. This is essentially all daily analysis, and then you could take that out, that it pretty much liquidated everyone in this zone. So, and it was, in my opinion, I feel like it should have. No, okay, what the hell happened? Okay, yep, sorry, my bad. I feel like it would have been better if it touched my zone, but overall it didn't, so we're just gonna have to stay with it like that. And then as you can see, another break of structure, and then we came back down, respected this bearish candle. I wish that it came down to this candle, but you can never know what the market's gonna do. So that's another support zone here, and then essentially you can see that there's a break of structure occurred. A break of structure occurred there, and then overall a break of structure occurred up here, and now we are at we're almost at an all-time high. We're getting there. So break of structure. So I feel like Polygon is in the perfect bullish momentum. I think 2022 is going to be major stuff for this coin. As you can see, we can see from this zone. So overall target is up here. Let me just quickly point it out. So this is our target that we need to reach in order for us to see a major pull. Once we breach this target, then I think, in my opinion, I think we could easily reach $3, but I'm hoping that reach $5. That's just my opinion. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, and peace.